Hello everyone, I am J-Mark Olmorias. The first topic for today is about packet to informational listening. Informational listening is a type of listening focused on understanding and retaining information. It involves active engagement, paying full attention to the speaker, avoiding distractions, and concentrating the message being conveyed. Processing information, comprehending the content which may include taking notes or mentally summarizing key points. Clarification, asking question or seeking clarification if any part of the information is unclear. Retention, remembering and recalling the information later as needed. This type of listening is commonly used in educational setting during meeting or when receiving instruction or explanations. Our second topic is about does brain change when we're in love? When we are in love, our dopamine activates the reward circuits, helping to make love a pleasurable experience. As you begin falling for someone, you may find yourself excessively daydreaming about them. This first stage of love is what psychologists call infatuation. Being in love triggers significant change in the brain. Key regions involved in rewards and pleasure, such as, such as ventral area and caudal nucleus, become more active. This heightened activity is linked to the intense feelings of happiness and satisfaction. The brain also experiences increased levels of neurotransmitters, like dopamine, which boost pleasure and motivation, and oxytocin, often referred to as love hormone, which enhance emotional bonding and trust. These neurochemical shifts contribute to the euphoric feelings and strong attachment often associated with romantic love, making the experience both exhilarating and deeply connected. Euphoria is a feeling or state, intense excitement and happiness, and that's why our brain have different states of thinking when we are in love. That's all, everyone. Thank you.